A lot of people opt to retire before the typical age because they've managed to save sufficient funds to enjoy a comfortable retirement. Some are eagerly anticipating the prospect of having more free time during retirement. Some opt for early retirement because they're unhappy with their current jobs due to the workload and stress. Join us at Nova Society for an exclusive journey into the world of personal finance. Don't miss out on the insights coming your way. As reported by CNBC, in the third quarter of 2020, approximately 28.6 million baby boomers exited the workforce and entered retirement. This figure accounts for a significant portion of the national cohort of approximately 71.6 million boomers. It's worth noting that this retirement count is 3.2 million higher than the number who had retired during the same period in the previous year, as stated in a report by Pew Research. Try to retire as soon as you can, because retirement is like a big accomplishment. It's similar to crossing the finish line after working hard for many years. Now you can relax and enjoy the things you might have missed while working. When you retire, you have more time to do the things you love. Your health can get better, and you can spend more quality time with your loved ones. It's like opening a door to a life without stress, where you can focus on being happy and spending time with the people who are important to you. Here are some of the reasons for you to retire early. It opens a door. Retirement is the time when you can focus on the things you're truly passionate about. It's the moment when you have the freedom to dedicate all your time and energy to the activities that make you excited and happy. You might have always wanted to travel the world, capturing its beauty with your camera. But your job didn't allow it. Maybe you've dreamt of living in RV and exploring the country. Perhaps you're an aspiring artist eager to fill canvases with your creativity. Or you might take pleasure in gardening, watching your flowers bloom in the sunlight. Some people find joy in helping others by volunteering their time and resources to make their lives better. In retirement, you have the luxury to fully engage in your passions without the constraints of a busy work schedule. It's an opportunity to dive deep, learn, experiment, and create. Retirement lets you wholeheartedly embrace your interests, transforming what was a fleeting hobby into a daily fulfilling pursuit that brings immense happiness and satisfaction to your life. Better opportunities. Retirement isn't solely about retiring from your work. It's an invitation to embark on a whole new world of opportunities. Once you've bid farewell to the 9-to-5 routine, you can dedicate your time and energy to endeavors that genuinely ignite your passion. Perhaps you've always had a hidden talent as a writer, a dream of becoming a chef, or an artistic flair waiting to flourish. Well, retirement allows you to transform these passions into a side gig or even a full-fledged career. It's quite common to witness retirees launching small businesses, freelancing, or sharing their wealth of knowledge through consulting roles. With the internet at your fingertips, there's a multitude of remote work options, online projects, and gigs designed for retirees. Beyond the financial aspects, retirement offers you the chance to embrace creative pursuits, engage in volunteer work, or become a mentor, enabling you to give back to the community in ways you never had the time for before. Retirement isn't the end. It's the start of a new chapter, providing you with the opportunity to explore diverse forms of work and discover what truly brings you happiness. Your health. Retirement offers a chance to focus on your health and well-being. You can easily incorporate regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep into your life, leading to improved overall health. People who retire early often experience lower stress levels, reduced blood pressure, and a decreased risk of chronic diseases, ultimately enhancing their quality of life. When you retire, you have the time to prioritize your health. You can go to the gym, eat healthily, and get enough rest without feeling rushed. No more rushing home from work, frustrated by your boss or coworkers. Having this extra time can add years of enjoyment to your life. So retire when you can and make the most of your health instead of postponing it year after year. Early retirement isn't just a break from work. It's a ticket to a healthier and happier life. You get to invest in yourself and finally place your well-being at the forefront. Your family. Retirement provides a precious gift, time to devote to your loved ones. Suddenly, you have the freedom to spend quality time with family, relax with your partner, and reconnect with old friends. When you were working, there was hardly any time left for those you care about. Just imagine having the time to be with your children. witnessing their growth and actively shaping their lives rather than paying someone else to do it and seeing them briefly each day. Picture taking spontaneous trips with your spouse or simply enjoying a leisurely coffee with your closest friends with no rush. These little moments strengthen relationships. In retirement, you can be there for the people who matter, truly listen to them, and enjoy your time together. It's not just about having fun. It's about creating memories and recognizing that the best part of life is sharing it with our loved ones. Work-life and balance. Balancing work and personal life can often feel like attempting to juggle things all at once, and it's undeniably challenging. At times, it seems like there's little time left for yourself. However, early retirement can be a transformative experience. Imagine hitting the pause button on your hectic work life and immersing yourself in what truly brings you joy. It's next to having a golden opportunity to focus on your hobbies, passions, and everything that ignites your happiness. The best part about early retirement is that it doesn't follow a one-size-fits-all approach. Some people might discover delight in exploring new careers, while others might opt to unwind and savor the sweet freedom of not working. Stepping away from the daily grind isn't solely about taking a break. It's an opportunity to rediscover what genuinely holds significance. You can travel, acquire new knowledge, or enjoy life's simple pleasures without the constant burden of stress. Moreover, this break from the routine isn't just beneficial for your mental well-being. It's like hitting a reset button and re-evaluating what truly counts. It's about finding that perfect balance where work becomes a choice, not an obligation, and leisure evolves from being a luxury into a way of life. Retirement isn't merely an escape. It's an invitation to live your best life. The downsides. Approaching retirement with realistic expectations is essential for a successful transition into this new phase of life. While retirement offers newfound freedom and relaxation, it's vital to recognize that it comes with its share of challenges. Similar to other aspects of life, there are downsides to retirement, including potential financial concerns, adapting to a different daily routine, and the possibility of experiencing feelings of isolation. In retirement, you may need to become comfortable with the idea that your net worth and income won't continue to increase steadily, and you'll need to manage your spending wisely. You'll also find yourself with more free time during the day, which can be a bit tricky to fill. And there's the potential for loneliness, since many of your friends and family will still be working while you enjoy your leisure time. Acknowledging these challenges allows retirees to plan for them, both financially and emotionally, ensuring a smoother transition into retirement. Realizing that there might be moments of boredom or a sense of loss related to the structured work life is crucial. However, this awareness of the downsides also opens up opportunities to find creative solutions. This might involve exploring part-time work, engaging in volunteer activities, or pursuing new hobbies to remain active and socially connected. Embracing retirement. Embracing retirement with a clear understanding, recognizing both the drawbacks and the positives, empowers individuals to actively tackle challenges and fully enjoy this new phase of life. Retirement is not just an opportunity for relaxation. It's a golden chance to concentrate on life's true pleasures. When you retire, you are no longer constrained by work schedules or job responsibilities. You can immerse yourself in the things that truly bring you joy, such as spending quality time with friends and family, pursuing hobbies and passions that ignite your enthusiasm, and perhaps even traveling to your dream destinations. Retirement offers you the opportunity to slow down, cherish each moment, and invest in building relationships and accumulating experiences instead of being caught up in the daily grind. Just think about having the time to be fully present with your loved ones, creating lasting memories, and exploring the world at your own pace. While there may certainly be some overlooked downsides to early retirement, don't let them push you to overwork and miss out on life's precious moments. Certainly, early retirement has its downsides too. For instance, those who retire early might get less money from Social Security, and they might have to pay more for health insurance. But for many folks, the good things about early retirement are more important than the bad things. So you should also make sure that you have a plan for how you will spend your time in retirement. Seeking personal finance insights and generational wealth strategies. Join our channel, subscribe, and uncover videos that amplify your financial journey. Please click on the next video for more financial wealth building strategies.